A question we get asked a lot is your workmanship warranty transferable? And workmanship warranty is simply a matter of, are you guys going to cover something that goes wrong if your workmanship was at fault? So it's a quality warranty, a quality guarantee. The answer is yes. Our warranty goes with the structure, it goes with the building, and not necessarily the owner. So it doesn't matter if the property changes hand 2, 3, 5 times. Our warranty stays with the building, and that's really nice for you as the owner of the property, knowing that if I'm just buying the house or selling it, there's value there in knowing that the roof is covered regardless of who owns it. Now, we do also have a golden pledge warranty, which is an extended warranty of 25 years for workmanship coverage. And in that case, that's the manufacturer actually putting their stamp of approval on our system and saying Joyland Roofing did it right, and we cover any workmanship issues for 25 years. So that golden pledge warranty specifically is transferable once in that 25-year time period.